At a dairy processing plant, stable and clean steam is essential for ensuring product quality. This EPCB 6-ton gas-fired steam boiler is delivering continuous and reliable steam for dairy production. The boiler features a 3-pass wetback design with a large corrugated furnace, ensuring high heat transfer efficiency and stable operation for continuous dairy production. Equipped with a fully automatic gas burner, it adjusts fuel-air ratio based on load, ensuring complete combustion. The intelligent PLC control system enables one-touch startup, automatic operation, and real-time monitoring, improving safety and reducing labor costs. The water treatment system removes hardness, preventing scaling and corrosion, ensuring long-term efficiency and durability. The reverse osmosis system further purifies water, enhancing steam purity critical for dairy processing. The deaerator removes dissolved oxygen, reducing corrosion and ensuring stable system operation. The high-efficiency water pump ensures stable water supply, supporting continuous and reliable boiler operation. From boiler body to water treatment, EPCB delivers a complete steam solution efficient, stable, and clean, creating greater value for dairy customers.